Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. These are razor blade disposal banks or disposal cases. What's great about these is when your razor blade is spent, no longer sharp enough to shave with, all you do is take it, drop it right into the slot on top, and there it goes, gone forever. When it fills up, you can take this and just toss it in the trash and be done with it. Or, you may or may not know, you can open these up. You can open the case, remove the blades, dispose of them safely in the trash, close up your blade bank, and then use it again for another year or however long it takes you to fill it up again. I'll show you how to open these cases right now. These are 3 different types of razor blade disposal cases. When you're finished with your blade and it's used up, just drop it right into the slot in the top, like so. Either one of these will accept these blades. They will also accept the Shavette type blades, fit in there as well. They will also accept the Feather Artist Club razor Shavette blades, like this. It'll drop right in any one of these. We'll put it in there. Here's another Shavette blade. You may or may not know that you can empty these out when they become full. I'll show you how. This is just a generic case. You can use a little flat blade screwdriver here and pry this bottom part away from the top, and it just comes apart like so. Drop out your blade. Once it's full, you can empty it out and reuse it again. Just snap this back in place like so. Not that difficult. Here's the Rockwell case. Same way. Just put your thumb in there and pull it apart, and you can drop out your blades like that when it becomes full, and then just snap it back in place, and you're ready for probably another year or so's worth of spent blades in your disposal case. Here's the Feather blade disposal case. It holds lots of blades, and when it's full, you can open this one up as well. This is a little more difficult to open up, so I think it's safer if you have small children around. Just insert a small blade screwdriver, anything small that will fit in here. You just want to insert it right there and pry upward. You can see how it's separating. You're pulling up with your finger at the same time on both of them. You're just disengaging the plastic tab, and then just separate the 2 parts and drop your blades out and put it back together, reassemble. Just make sure that all 4 tabs have snapped into place and re-engaged. You can see that it's locked in place and it will not open. I don't think any young mischievous child will be able to open this case too easily. So I think this is your best bet if you have small children around. It says right here, used blades, Feather. What I really want to know is, are these blades recyclable or not, these double-edged razor blades? There's a debate going on that they're too dangerous for the workers to deal with. They're too small and too sharp. They jam up the machine. I'm not sure what the truth is. So, if anybody actually works in a recycling plant, we'd love to hear from you. Please leave a little comment below. Let us know. Give us the straight dope, the straight talk. Can you recycle these blades or not? Best to throw them in the trash or put them in a recycling bin. Let us know. So if you want to pick up any one of these razor blade disposal cases, just go to ShaveNation.com, enter disposal case, blade bank, anything like that in the search box, and they'll pop right up. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.